Nako, hindi po pwede. Alam nyo na ba? Gen X. Yung monument, pwede ka atakihin sa puso. Hello. Hello po, love po, sure. Thank you. Of course, that's our logo. Ganda po sa Noy Pits. Hindi, sa Downtown LA. Downtown, okay, Maliliga. Wednesday, June 19. O 10 yun, walang pasok. So please call, tapos magyayaka, please. Thank you. Gen X Golden Years. Oh, yeah. No other generation because we've seen it all. I mean, you know, mga baby boomers, hindi po mapayag kasi maganda din naman daw ang 60s. But, I don't know. Between 60s and 80s, layo ah. Saya lang 80s eh.